Today, July 24, 2024, a devastating plane crash occurred at Kathmandu's Tribhuvan International Airport. The incident has left the entire nation in shock and mourning. Emergency response teams are currently on the scene, working tirelessly to rescue survivors and assess the damage. The cause of the crash is still under investigation, and authorities are urging the public to stay away from the area to allow rescue operations to proceed smoothly. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families during this tragic time. The aircraft, a Bombardier CRJ200LR/ER operated by Saurya Airlines, was on a maintenance flight from Kathmandu to Pokhara. The flight was scheduled to depart at 10:30 a.m. local time. However, due to unforeseen technical issues, the departure was delayed by approximately 45 minutes. The crew on board consisted of 2 pilots and 1 engineer. The aircraft had recently undergone routine maintenance and was being tested for airworthiness. The weather conditions were reported to be clear, with good visibility at the time of departure. While attempting to take off, the plane derailed from the runway, overturned, and caught fire. The situation quickly escalated as the aircraft skidded uncontrollably, veering off its intended path. The impact was severe, causing the plane to flip over and ignite almost instantly. The passengers and crew were thrown into a state of panic as the flames began to engulf the aircraft. Emergency services were immediately alerted, but the intensity of the fire made rescue operations extremely challenging. It was heavily raining at the time. The downpour created extremely hazardous conditions, with visibility reduced to almost zero. The runway was slick and treacherous, making it difficult for the pilots to maintain control. The stormy weather played a significant role in the unfortunate incident, contributing to the tragic outcome. Tragically, 18 lives were lost in the devastating accident, leaving a profound impact on the community. Emergency responders worked tirelessly amidst the wreckage, their faces showing the strain of their efforts. Families of the victims were seen grieving, their faces etched with sorrow and disbelief. Amidst the chaos, there was a glimmer of hope. Captain Mr. Shakya, the sole survivor, was found and quickly transported to the hospital. He was reported to be in stable condition, receiving the best possible care. The community is now rallying around the families, offering support and condolences. Vigils are being held, and memorials with flowers and candles are set up to honor the lost lives. Captain Mr. Shakya, an experienced pilot and director of flight operations at Saurya Airlines, has dedicated his life to the skies. With a passion for aviation that began in his youth, he has climbed the ranks through sheer determination and skill. Over the years, he has built a reputable career in aviation, earning numerous accolades and respect from his peers. His journey is a testament to his unwavering commitment to excellence and safety in the air. He joined Saurya Airlines in 2016, a pivotal moment for the company. His leadership and expertise have been instrumental in shaping the airline's operations and standards. Rescue operations were swift, with ongoing investigations to determine the exact cause of the crash. Emergency responders arrived quickly, working tirelessly to search for survivors and secure the area. Investigators are meticulously examining the wreckage, gathering evidence to piece together what happened. The scene is chaotic, but the coordinated efforts of the rescue teams and investigators are commendable. Authorities are urging the public to stay clear of the area to allow for a thorough investigation. Updates will be provided as more information becomes available. Stay tuned for more updates on this tragic incident. Our thoughts are with the victims' families. This has been a devastating event, and we will continue to bring you the latest information as it becomes available. Please keep the victims and their loved ones in your thoughts during this difficult time. We appreciate your support and understanding as we navigate through this tragedy together. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.